My name is Mark Quinn from Corby Rock Mill based in Monaghan. We manufacture animal feeds on the monogastric and ruminant sectors. We operate 2 mills on site, currently doing about 250,000 tonnes per annum. Over the years, we've evolved from a man on a brush into self-propelled machines. Our environment is a difficult environment. You're dealing with a lot of fine dust, you're dealing with very fine materials. An issue with a lot of these type of machines is that they can hoover up dust and then they fire it out the back. And the one thing I liked about this machine is it actually retains the dust. It's got great suction on it, and that's the thing I think was very, very important for us, is that we're actually solving a problem and not just moving it somewhere else.
I've been working at Corby Rock 7 years now, and I've been using other sweepers, but without a doubt the Multihog is the best out of the whole lot. It's a lot quicker, better suction than the other sweeper, and overall just saves me a lot more time.
I'm always of the belief you give your people the right tools to do the job and do it efficiently, and again that was another key part of going with the Multihog for operator comfort, operator use, and it's become an integral part of managing the facility. Guys can very quickly, when there's spills, and there is spills, there always is spills when you're loading trucks and doing things. A guy can hop into a machine very, very quickly and go and address the spill, and so again our focus being on biosecurity is we're able to maintain that at a high level. Another key aspect was visibility for an operator, especially working in intricate areas like our loading bays, to one, do the job and see what needs to be cleaned, but also two, from a health and safety aspect, being able to see who's around them. Again, you could have pedestrian traffic or you could have truck traffic. There's a lot of transactions on site, in and out, so again, having the lighting package is a key aspect as well. It's a real definition of Irish manufacturing, something local. It ticks all the boxes, it's made very, very well, and it does the job. It hasn't let us down. I would recommend it to other places. Again, and I have got inquiries from other people that I've seen on LinkedIn posts, what's the machine like? And I have to say it's a great machine. I think it's a machine that any grain merchant or feed miller or anyone operating in a very dusty environment should have available to them. We have, as a business, and our customers have, very high levels of expectation of hygiene. That's what we're always constantly striving to achieve, is high levels of hygiene. And again, the Multihog features into delivering that. We have expectations, as it says, from customers, but also from regulatory point of views. And the Multihog allows us to achieve that high level of hygiene. It has lived up to these expectations. It was a good purchase. It was worth the purchase.